My name is Eamon Bauman. I'm a systems administrator for the University of Wisconsin Oshkosh. We have a variety of clients that we're servicing with our VDI initiatives. It originally started in our Department of Residence Life, where we began toying around with VDI as this idea to kind of get ourselves out of vendor lock-in with Macintosh OS X. We're a primarily Mac campus using all Apple hardware, and we have a bunch of enterprise Windows applications that needed somewhere to run that wasn't obviously the workstation that people were using. So we tried this out in Residence Life, and our primary goal when we did our proof of concept was just for the end user staff for our housing management system at the time. It went very successful and very well. At this time we are using our VDI implementation in Residence Life to serve both students and staff. For our students, we're using it to serve their computer lab experience. For our staff, including student staff, we're using it to serve our front desk check-in users. We're using it to serve our full-time hall staff, live-in hall directors, your CAs, your RAs, that type of thing. We're also working on a centralized VDI deployment to serve the rest of campus, which would be faculty, staff, university appointees, that type of thing, kind of staff and faculty as a whole. Life without Unidesk. I think I'd have to hire 4 or 5 more staff persons to do the job. Currently I have one student who's managing all of the day-to-day concerns, operational stuff for my VDI deployment for Unidesk. And if I didn't have Unidesk to be able to abstract a lot of that tough work away, I'd have to hire 3 or 4 more people to do it. It handles all the concerns in terms of application installation, in terms of creating custom app stacks for our users. Before VDI, and this is before my time obviously, we were stuck in kind of the pre-VDI days of creating a perfect image where you had to install all the applications on the image at the same time, then really don't touch it at all, and then deploy it to everybody. And you had to do that 7 or 8 times because you had so many different people who were using different templates, different app stacks, that kind of thing. Well, with Unidesk, all you have to do is set up, install the app once, then create layers, create templates, all the things that you need without having to worry about creating these custom perfect gold images. So I would say that Unidesk probably eliminated 85% of the work of setting up the image and getting it just right each year, and that was innumerable amount of time, days, weeks, months, trying to set up these perfect images, and Unidesk fixed it all. It simplifies everything that you do related to the end user experience when it comes to applications, and I couldn't foresee a world of VDI without using it.